All right, boys and girls. So, this activity, you're going to use context clues. Sometimes when we read, we will see a word we don't know. We can figure out its meaning by looking at the clues or the words around it. These are the context clues. Remember, context clues can be shown in 5 different ways. One example is a definition, synonym, antonym, example, or you may have to make an inference. So take a look at this example that uses definition. Living in a frigid or extremely cold place can be difficult. The author used the word frigid and gave you the definition of the word behind the word, which lets you know that frigid means extremely cold. Another one is used as an example. The same word frigid, temperatures in the Arctic can be as low as 58 degrees below zero. Frigid in an example means degrees below zero, 58 degrees below zero. They're letting you know how low the temperature was by giving you an example of that temperature. Now let's use context clues to determine the meaning of these highlighted words. It says animals adapt by changing in a way that allows them to live in a certain place. Adapt. The context clues are animals, changing, allows to live in a certain place. So that means adapt means to change, to fit the situation. Number 2 says the Arctic bee has to shiver or shake to keep itself warm. Here is the definition used again. The word shiver means to shake. Okay. For your activity, you have to read the sentences below, then use context clues to determine the meanings of the underlying words. Highlight or underline the correct answer. So the first one says, the ground squirrel hibernates, sleeping for months during the winter. The word hibernates is underlined. You have to find the meaning of the word hibernates here. Is it A, B, C, or D? For number 2, they want to know what words gave you or the context clues help you to understand what hibernates meant. Number 3, you're looking for the word duck as a multiple meaning word. So you have to read the sentence to determine which word the which example is used, like the context of the sentence. Number 4, the fur on the polar bear helps to repel or keep away cold water. Which word means the same thing as repel? Now remember, as you read, look for the words such as these words might introduce an example that helps you figure out the meaning of an unknown word. Happy learning.